Let's begin by introducing the supply parts and hardware. Skid plate, a large rear bracket, one M10 by 110 millimeter long hex head bolt plus washer, also M10 by 50 millimeter long hex head bolt plus washer, M8 by 20 millimeter long tapered bolts, 3 of them, 4 M6 by 16 hex head bolts plus washers. The tools we're going to be using: 5mm Allen socket, or you can use an Allen key, 8mm hex socket or wrench/spanner, and a 17mm hex socket, or you can use a wrench/spanner. And then ratchet and extensions. So you can begin by installing the bracket, but first you have to remove the OEM bolts. Pop it in on the other side. We suggest that you do this on a paddock stand or a rear swing arm stand. Put the bolts in, turn them a couple of times, we'll leave it loose. Next, grab the tapered bolts, 3 of them. Mount the skid plate. You can use a scissor lift or a jack to keep the skid plate in place. Don't forget to use blue Loctite, medium strength. And then proceed with the front end, the M6 by 16 bolts. Again, don't forget to use blue Loctite. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, info@outbackmotortech.com, or call toll-free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.